Hi everyone, my name is Katie Nettles and I am the Dean of Career and Technical Education. I wanted to take some time to go over degree works with you guys, kind of explain what it is and show you what it looks like. So the first step is to log into your Lola. This is the home page right here, and I'm going to go up here and click on Student. And under academic links, I'm going to make sure that I'm going under Nunez Community College and selecting Degree Works Dashboard. And so now it's going to pull up kind of like a degree audit. So it's going to show me the classes that I still have to take. And then it's going to show me the courses that I have already completed. Now, I do want to point out that this is not a real student, so I don't want you guys to think that I'm showing you student records. I'm not. This is a student that we made up. So now I'm going to look through and see all the classes that it's still telling me that I need. And then here it's telling me all the courses that I've already taken along with my grades. And then here it's showing me non-program courses. So this is everything that I have taken, but I may not need for this particular program. So as you can see, this student is going for their certificate in medical coding and billing. Another easy way to see the whole group of all the courses that you need for registration is if you go under Student View, click on Registration Checklist, and then click View. And here's like one little concise list of courses that I still need. I'm gonna see if this works. It didn't earlier. No, I'm gonna go back. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to Student View. And I want to show you a neat little trick. So let's say I'm looking here and I'm trying to pick out my courses for the spring 2021 semester. So I see right here that I need Medical Terminology 1. So if I click right here on the course, and give it a second, sometimes it takes some time to load. There we go. Under spring 2021, let me highlight it all. I can see all of the courses, all of the different sections offered for Medical Terminology 1 in the spring. So if it says TBA, that's usually an online course. This one meets Monday, 8:30 a.m. to 9:45. So let's say that I know I want to take an online class. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down the CRN. So the CRN is this number right here. And you may hear your advisor or your instructor refer to the CRN. This is kind of like the course identification number. It's specific to this particular course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and write down the CRN, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it in just a second. So I'm going to go ahead and write 20157 down. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close this. And now I'm going to say, let's see, okay, basic CPT coding. I'm going to go ahead and click on this course, see if any of these days and times that it's offered works for me. So let me see right here, spring 2021. Let's see, I can only come in the afternoon. So this one's Tuesday, Thursday, 10 in the morning to 11:15. This one's in the afternoon, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 5:30 to 6:45. I can do that one, so I'm going to go ahead and write down that CRN, 20182. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what we can do with those CRNs. So I'm going to go back up to Lola, and that's a good thing. When you open up DegreeWorks, it opens up into its own tab, so you can kind of just keep switching back between the two. So I'm going to go here to Lola. Once again, I'm going to make sure that I go under Nunez Community College and click on registration. Now I'm going to go to register for classes, continue. And so now, since I have the CRNs, I don't have to search for the courses here. I can go right here to enter CRNs. I'm going to go ahead and type in those CRNs that I wrote down, 20157, add another CRN, 20182. I'm going to click add to summary. There we go. So it's on my summary. So remember, I'm not registered for them yet. I've only added them to my summary. Now, one of the little kind of glitches that happens is right here is the submit button for me to actually go ahead and register myself. You can't see it right now. All you see is this like gray line. So if you go up here to the menu bar, you can go right here to Zoom and kind of scroll down so you can see that submit button. There it is. Go ahead and click submit. And now I have registered for those courses. So now they're going to be on my schedule and I'm in them. Now let's say that I decide I don't want to take these classes or I need to drop them for whatever reason. I just come right here to action, web drop, action, web drop, and then submit. And now they are off my schedule. So that was a quick run through of DegreeWorks. That was a very simple way of using it to kind of looking through. It'll tell you what your degree process is. So right here, the student is 33% complete with this degree. And it'll show all the courses you still have to take and the courses that you have completed. So if you have any questions, please reach out to your advisor. Thank you so much.